Inside of Library Master, under the main folder, there's a feature called Task Scheduler that allows you to set up jobs to be automatically run. It starts as simple as creating a new job by typing in a new name, selecting your company code, selecting your Sage user login, and also your Windows login. And it's important that your Windows login has access to the Sage data files and tails. After you enter your Sage login and Windows login, you can then select the type of job you want to run to update journals and registers, to automatically schedule reports to be run, or to even import or export data out of Sage. You can adjust your time duration, whether you want daily, weekly, monthly. We're going to start with the report, and we're going to schedule it to run, say, 6 a.m. And we're going to schedule it to run weekdays, every weekday. And now we adjust the task. So now we come into here, we select the module, say purchase order, and the report that we want to run. We'll just say the expected delivery report. And we can also choose our form code, which could save additional preferences about the report. I'm going to go ahead and choose deferred printing. So that way it'll be waiting for me in my deferred printing queue the next day. Additionally, I could choose to run more reports, multiple reports, and not just one. I'm just going to choose this one for right now and go ahead and click accept. Now that my job is all set up, I'm just going to choose run now to test it. I can check that my job successfully ran by going to deferred printing, and I can see that my expected delivery report is there and waiting for me. You can see the task schedule could be very useful to run jobs, especially if you had very large reports that take a long time to run. You can run them overnight, after hours, when you're not wasting any time waiting for them.